Welcome back, Between Two Bushes, here to answer your customer questions. We hear from customers who say, I just want help with my bladder leakage. I don't care about the sex stuff. I just want to stop leaking. I'm like, okay, you don't care about the sex stuff, but write me back later once you've been using it for a while. And Jen, actually, you helped out with our survey. You helped survey the customers, and what did you see?
Our first customers.
Our very first beta prototype startup customers, yeah.
And what was amazing is almost everybody, that came to Stephanie or Stephanie found to use the demo was there because of leakage issues or other more medical reasons. And what we've all realized in the process is our orgasms got way better, like way better. And so it was so interesting that this was kind of another piece that we didn't come to Kegelbell for originally, but definitely I would say keep us coming back to Kegelbell.
No pun intended. Yeah.
Exactly, and over again. Making sure that we have strong vaginas because the orgasms are significantly better.
That's right.
And more interesting, I would say.
Yeah. I don't want to put you on the spot, but you're on the spot. And that is that I believe you said to me once, Stephanie, when you told me about the sexual health benefits, I did not believe you, but I wanted the urine leakage to go away, so I tried it.
Yeah,
is that right?
I've been having orgasms for like a number of years. I'm 36, so many years. And I've never had a different kind of orgasm. It's always been, kind of a similar one. And if anything, it was a little more challenging after giving birth. Things get shifted. And so after using it, sure enough, I was like, holy shit. This is amazing. I didn't know that it could be this long, this many times. And of course, my partner thought it was all him. And that's what I tell him, but it's not true at all. It was
what are you going to do?
Definitely thanks to Kegelbell, but it made a huge difference. And it continues to improve as I continue, even just in the maintenance mode. I've been using this for a number of years now. And so it still has kept up and improved and continues to improve. It's really, it's awesome. And it's a wonderful side effect that all women should experience, that not only do we have stronger vaginas that prevent these things that might prevent us from doing things or we're embarrassed about, but we can have really kick-ass orgasms too, and we can make them better by making our vagina stronger. And I think that's a message that maybe has never been said to women before, that we can actually have the power to make our orgasms better, and I think it's a powerful one that Kegelbell brings, and it's a powerful one to talk about.
Yeah, it's a muscle contraction. I mean, it doesn't sound romantic or magical to speak of it that way. It still is wonderful when it happens, but it's a muscle contraction. So the stronger the muscles are, the more that's going to, develop and take on a new dimension. So ladies, I understand you want to solve the leakage problem, but hey, you know what? Be prepared. You can't pick and choose your benefits. You're going to get help with organ prolapse. You're going to get help with leakage, but you're also going to get sexual enhancement. So you're welcome.